Here I'm going to easily show you how to break down a bird. Start with the leg quarter. Cut along the rib cage until you find the joint. Find where it's moving and slice through. Turn it over, start on the other side, the bird on its back. Find where it's moving. Just keep cutting close to the bone. Find the joint and cut through. Easy. Next, take off the wing. Find where it's moving, slice through the skin, locate the joint, and cut through. Take off the other side. Locate the joint, remove. Next, turn the bird on its back, cut down the center of its breast, dividing it in two. There's a bone right there. Don't cut the bone, just sever the two breasts into two. Start at the top and cut down. Next, come at it from the back side underneath. Just follow the rib cage. First time it'll take you a few minutes. Second time it'll go a lot faster. Just take your time, take it easy. Cut down along the bone, then come at it from the underside. Now if you want a drumstick and thigh, take the leg quarter, cut down the middle, find where it's moving, find the joint, and cut through the joint. The reason you never cut through bone is that it will dull your knife faster than anything else. So take your leg quarter, find where it's moving, and cut through the joint.